Okay, today is currently the 4th of June, Wednesday, 2025, and it's 3:15 right now. As you can see, bottom right corner. So, in today's video, we're gonna talk about accumulation, manipulation, distribution, as well as the bias for the week or daily bias, and also equilibrium versus discount. Okay, let's get into it. Very simple. Last video you saw how I explained what is accumulation, which is simply in the morning from um from midnight till 9 o'clock in the morning. That's South African Standard Time. I don't know where else everyone is watching, but yeah, accumulation is between midnight or 2, but I like to use midnight till 9 o'clock in the morning. Then from 9, let's mark it actually. Accumulation in the morning, Asian session right here. Manipulation takes out liquidity up here. This will be manipulation. Then here will be distribution. Simple as this. This in ICT I think it's called accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Correct me if I'm wrong. But basically, morning is here. Then from 9 all the way till 4 in the afternoon, till 4 in the afternoon. This is when this has to occur. Then from 4 till 8 at night or 9, this is when it goes in the initial intended direction. Let's do it vice versa when it's in a bearish scenario: accumulation, manipulation, then distribution. Take notes as I'm doing this, it's very helpful. From 2 or from midnight till 9 in the morning, accumulation. Then all the way till down here, it's from 9 all the way till 4 in the afternoon. Then you already know from here till 4 till 9, distribution. So guys, quick tip: do not enter during Asian section, which is early mornings from before 9. Basically, before 8. Let's say before 8. Do not look at the market. Don't be in the market. Do not execute during those times, because it's just gonna be a lot of consolidation back and forth like this. Let's look at the chart and see what happens. It's very or let's just use this one. But as you can see, this one has been ranging for quite some time now. But let's go down all the way to the 15-minute time frame. Make this very quick, very simple. We'll start on a Monday. Let's start on this Monday here. Yeah, this Monday till where it is today. Then we'll also, or let's start week before, then we'll go to that week, so that you have enough examples to look at. So from midnight in the morning till 9 o'clock. There we go, 9 o'clock right here. Let me even mark it as, call this the Asian range. This is the Asian range. Let's mark them all through the week. Midnight, 9 o'clock right here. Highest point, lowest point. Asian range. Let's do it up until the last day of the week, which is Friday. Let me pause, then I'll get back to you when I mark all of them. so you can see. Okay, so I've marked out for the previous week's Asian range, all of them: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The what you call it? The program wasn't recording, so I have to re-explain this. So let's go through it one more time. So as I was saying, as you can see here, so here's a tip, guys. Before the Asian session, between the times of between 9 and 3, let's make it 4. At 4, between those times, if the, or should I write it? If I'm not good at explaining, so I'll try my best. If the Asian session low or Asian session high was not taken out between 9 and 4, that means you do not have a setup for the day. Like here, as you can see, did not sweep before that time, and it only took it out around, the Asian session low was taken out around 9 o'clock. So let's see on a Tuesday, between 9 till 4, it was taken out right after the Asian session closed. It was taking out liquidity, but then it kept moving down. There was no reversal. There was no momentum showing that it was gonna reverse. Let's see on a Wednesday. So guys, the times you enter, the best times to enter the market may be, I don't know, scalping, but swinging. Most times in swinging, you are looking for entries between not a Monday, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sometimes Friday. So Monday till Wednesday, those are the right times to look for entry points to enter the market, because on a bigger time frame, on the weekly time frame, it still applies accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So Monday to Tuesday, that's accumulation. Tuesday, Wednesday, manipulation when you look for an entry. Then Thursday, Friday, distribution. Or on Wednesday or Thursday. On Thursday, I wanted a different currency pair because, as you can see, AUDSD has been ranging for the longest of time. So here on a Thursday, high was swept, Asian range high was swept. Then after it was taken out, reversed back. So no clear entry. Same thing on a Friday. But on a Friday, right after it was taken out, it started moving up. But let's say just English. Just a scenario. Let's say you entered here. You were gonna scalping, you were gonna target this high, this Asian session, this Asian range high. Stop loss right above, right below here. So this was gonna be your TP, entry, stop loss. You were gonna target your Asian session high. If it was bearish, your Asian session low. Let me mark out for the following week, which is this week, what happened. Let me quickly mark it out, then yeah. So today is Wednesday. Today's a Wednesday, so I marked yesterday's Asian range and Monday's Asian range. So on Monday, right after the Asian session closed, liquidity was taken out, and this is from 9 till 4. So here, liquidity was taken out. After that, created another liquidity and chased it back up. We did not find a clear entry point to the left or anything. For now, I used a ranging uh I was using a ranging currency pair just for you to see how to mark it out. So then after that, there was no impulse move to the downside. As you can see, there was nothing there. Yesterday, Tuesday, liquidity was taken out right at 4 o'clock. Then it just kept ranging all the way till today, and liquidity was not taken out at 4 o'clock. It's almost 4 o'clock. Liquidity was taken out, which means it's very tricky because there is no clear direction. So a currency pair like this, when it moves current like this, you should know not to avoid that currency pair because it's ranging. There's no clear direction. Where is that drawing I did? I won't find it. It's fine. So that's it for accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Or let me do a different example with a non ranging market with clear direction, just to show you how you should like look for everything.